Welcome back to our Essential Setup video series. In the next set of videos, we will be looking at your staff and trainers, what their roles are, and how you can create them within your Glofox dashboard. So first of all, let's have a look at staff roles and permissions. Staff roles. There are three main types of staff role: trainer, or it may be practitioner in your studio, receptionist, or admin and super admin. Trainers. Trainers have very limited ability on the Glofox dashboard. They are only able to access the main dashboard and they can access the calendar. But within that calendar, they can only view or book members for their own classes and appointments. Receptionists. Receptionists can access the Manage tab and the dashboard. They can view all events on the calendar and book any member into an event. They can also add new members and manage their profiles. They can also manage the store function, meaning they will be able to look after your inventory, add items, and make sure that it's all up to date. Finally, admins and super admins. There isn't much difference here between an admin or a super admin. The main difference at the moment is that the super admin is typically the account holder. This is what you're going to see when you first log in to Glofox, your own account as the super admin. Admins then are any subsequent profiles that you need to make with admin access. Admins can view and edit all elements on the dashboard. So basically, they have full control. So that's everything on staff roles and staff permissions. In the next video, we are going to look at how to create these within your Glofox dashboard.